Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Forza Horizon 6 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the vehicle that you are driving within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Forza Horizon 6 on your device, and you may continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, while you are driving around, if you wish to change your car that you are driving, simply press the start button, and now press the right bumper in order to go into the cars menu. Here you will find the car change option. Just click on this, and this will now show you all of the vehicles or cars that you own. In order to switch into any vehicle, just go ahead and highlight this vehicle and then press the select button. You can then choose the get in car option. And now, in a few seconds, your car will be changed. You can now start driving your newly chosen vehicle. And if you wish to switch this at any time in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Press the start button to pause your game, then go into the cars menu, and from the car change section, you can once again choose your desired vehicle. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change or switch the vehicle that you are driving on Forza Horizon 6. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.